In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Workspace ownership. This walkthrough is perfect for situations like offboarding an employee, consolidating accounts, or moving projects to a new owner. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the Google Admin Console with sufficient admin privileges, ideally a super admin, and that both the current owner and the new owner are active users in the same organization. Start by signing in at the admin console. Once you're on the home page, head to the section where you manage services. Choose apps to see a list of products available for your organization. From there, open Google Workspace, which groups all the core services together. Find and select Drive and Docs, since that's where file ownership settings are managed for Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and related content. Inside the Drive and Docs settings, look for the option called Transfer Ownership. This tool is designed specifically for moving all Drive files from one user to another within your domain. When the transfer page opens, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter the email address of the current file owner. This is the account whose files you want to move. In the second field, enter the email address of the new owner, the account that should receive those files. Take a moment here to double check both addresses. Ownership transfers affect all my Drive files owned by the original user, so accuracy matters. When you're confident, click Transfer Files to start the process. You may see a confirmation prompt, Proceed to continue. Depending on the volume of data, the transfer can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You can continue working while it runs in the background. A quick note on what to expect. The new owner will typically receive a folder in their My Drive containing the transferred content. Existing sharing permissions on files are usually preserved, but ownership will update to the recipient. This process applies to My Drive content. Shared drives are managed separately and aren't affected by this transfer tool. Also, be mindful of storage implications for the new owner, especially if a large amount of data is moving over. That's it. Once the transfer completes, the new owner will see the files in their drive, and the previous owner will no longer be the primary owner of those items. If your organization has compliance or retention requirements, it's a good idea to coordinate timing and communicate the change to both users ahead of time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently transfer Google Workspace ownership.